Carne Asada recipe. Origin and brief history. Carne asada, meaning grilled meat in Spanish, is a traditional Mexican dish beloved for its smoky, charred flavors and versatility. Typically made with thin cuts of beef marinated in a blend of citrus, spices and herbs, this dish is grilled over high heat to achieve a perfect sear. Carne asada is a staple of Mexican cuisine and is commonly served as tacos, burritos, or simply alongside rice and beans. You need to hear this if you're a home cook looking to impress at your next barbecue. Stick around for the perfect carne asada. First, let's whip up the marinade. In a mixing bowl, we're going to combine a variety of ingredients that will infuse our steak with incredible flavor. This marinade is the secret to achieving that authentic, mouth-watering taste that everyone loves. Combine 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/3 cup orange juice, 2 tbsp lime juice, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 4 minced garlic cloves, and make sure to use fresh garlic for the best flavor. The combination of citrus and soy sauce will tenderize the meat while adding a zesty kick. 1 tbsp each of ground cumin, which adds a warm, earthy flavor that's essential for carne asada. Smoked paprika and chili powder, 1/2 tbsp black pepper. These spices will give the marinade a smoky, slightly spicy profile that complements the beef perfectly. And 1/4 cup chopped cilantro. Cilantro adds a fresh, herbaceous note that balances the richness of the meat. Give it a good whisk until everything's well mixed. You want all those flavors to meld together beautifully. Next, grab 2 pounds of flank or skirt steak and place it in a resealable plastic bag or shallow dish. Pour the marinade over the steak, ensuring it's fully coated. Seal it up, making sure there's no air left inside the bag, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or overnight if you can wait that long. The longer it marinates, the more intense the flavor will be. You can wait that long. This step is crucial as it allows the meat to absorb all the delicious flavors. Trust me, the flavor's worth it. You'll be the star of your next barbecue. When you're ready to cook, preheat your grill to high heat. A hot grill is key to getting that perfect sear on the steak. Lightly oil the grates to prevent sticking. Now remove the steak from the marinade, letting any excess drip off. You don't want too much liquid on the steak as it can cause flare-ups on the grill, letting any excess drip off. Grill the steak for about 3-5 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of your steak and your preferred level of doneness. About 3-5 minutes per side, aiming for a nice char. You want those beautiful grill marks that add both flavor and visual appeal. Use a meat thermometer to hit 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. This ensures the steak is cooked to perfection, juicy, and tender. After grilling, let the steak rest for 5-10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite flavorful and moist. Finally, slice the steak thinly against the grain for tender pieces. This step is important as it ensures the meat is easy to chew. Warm tortillas, salsa, guacamole, lime wedges, and your favorite toppings. These sides complement the carne asada perfectly, adding freshness and additional layers of flavor. And there you have it, the perfect carne asada. It's a dish that's sure to impress your family and friends. Don't forget to tag me when you try this. Happy grilling! Enjoy every bite and share the love with those around you. The recipe and procedure are in the description section. Have a good day!